Hey everyone, welcome to Sabroso. Let me show you how to make the Peruvian drink Chicha Morada. To a large pot, add 1 gallon of water. Then add the rind and core of 1 pineapple. Next is the main ingredient, the Peruvian purple corn. This is where the Chicha Morada is going to get its deep purple color. Next, we're going to add about 2 quince. A quince is a cross between an apple and a pear. Add those to the pot along with 2 apples. It doesn't really matter which apples, just one that are more sour. We're also adding 2 yellow peaches. Now we're going to add some spice to the mix. I have 3 cinnamon sticks, as well as whole cloves and star anise. Usually you'll add the sugar at the end of the process, but because I'm using sugar cane today, I'm going to add it to the pot. We're going to bring this mixture to a boil for about 90 minutes. After an hour and a half, you can see that the liquid has turned a deep purple, which is the essence of Chicha Morada. Now we're going to drain this mixture into an empty pitcher and add the final ingredient, lime juice. You'll probably need about 5 large limes, but if you have smaller limes like I do today, then you probably want to double that. So I have 10 limes total, which I'm going to juice. Pour the lime juice into the strained liquid, add additional sugar if desired, then pour into a glass filled with ice, and there you have Chicha Morada.